I'm Brianna at the 2012 Pumper and Cleaner Expo. I'm here with Jeff Ambrose from Pentair. Jeff, can you tell us about the product you have here on the show floor?
Sure, Brianna. This is the Jung Pumper grinder pump, and it's available from 2 through 7.5 horsepower. It has a air-cooled motor housing, which is for a very efficient operation. Working from the top of the product around, going through features and benefits, we have a investment cast stainless steel cord entry, which is a very high quality cord entry, and it's also potted and moisture sealed, so you don't have to have any concerns of oil wicking in and out of the pump or water. We also have a cutting mechanism on the bottom of the pump here. I'll move it around, and this is the multi-cut high torque cutting mechanism. And the innovative thing about this grinding mechanism is that it only ever cuts one particle at a time. So you always have the full torque of the motor behind every single cut. So that's really the premium feature of this. The pump is commercial grade. It's all cast iron construction. So very heavy duty, durable, and very good at dissipating heat. So what we have here is a demo unit. This is the actual basin or typical basin that a grinder pump would be used in. We mounted the pump upside down so that you can see it actually grinding up and cutting the materials. We're going to start off with some common media that could be flushed down a toilet and into the grinder system. So Mike here will put in a diaper. As you can see, it slices it up into a fine slurry. Rubber glove. Okay. And then lastly, a pair of jeans. So as you can see, the grinder pump is able to effectively macerate any common materials that would be flushed down a toilet.
Thanks, Jeff. And where can we find out more information about this?
You can visit ultimategrindingmachine.com.